So you will in continuation, this speech specifically I made for IMO and on behalf of United Nations. Okay, for Pakistan, you know everybody, Nautical Institute. Tomorrow we have function in Lalazad. Okay, IMO has chosen to make this 2023 a year of action for seafarers who are facing unpredictable hardships in the previous year due to the COVID. So we want to do something good for the future. You know, everybody know in the pandemics 2 to 3 years we already lost, and this time IMO will try to do the vital role as a key workers, as a seafarers for global supply chain management. Who will do? Seafarers will do. Therefore, the International Seafarers Day theme is Marpol and seafarers and the core shipping future. Okay, something I also telling regarding this one, that seafarers also serve on the world merchant worldwide fleet. Who is doing the trade? Seafarers is doing 80% of the global trade. Seafarers doing, and in the international trading, transport, supply chain management, logistics, most efficient and cost effective method of the seafarers and international transport for the goods. Who is doing? Seafarers doing. So it provides a dependable low cost means in shipping of the international transportations for most of the goods and helping the world prosperity among the transportations and for the peoples. IMO also launched series of profiles last year and this year. They are doing for the seafarers express their views. Last year they have different things, and this year regarding the ocean and the seas of the race, the marine pollution and environmental management for the future of the shipping, and lot of the peoples already done this job. Anyway, seafarers are the pillars. We are the pillars of the supply chain management around the globe, around the world. Finally, this day provides for us an opportunity and focus and attention. Strength our focal point, focus your PowerPoints and the importance of the shipping and other milestone maritime activities. Thanking you, and I especially regard to Nautical Institute, Pakistan, Captain Admiral Mahmoodi, Mr. Rashid Anwar, and tribute to this speech to IMO, United Nations, and Pakistan, this Nautical Institute branch. Good luck, best regards, Captain Syed Irfanul Haq, son of late Captain Syed Muzaffar Iqbal, ex-PEM DGPS, Pakistan.